Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back up here filming. It's been a couple of weeks since I put out a video. A lot of you do know that my uncle passed away. My mom's younger brother, he was like 12 years younger than her. And we knew that he was sick. We knew that it was going to happen. But it was really difficult, you guys. So I wasn't really able to film last week. But you know, I'm back, and I really appreciate all the encouraging words and all the prayers. Now, I do want to mention something before we get started. I have an unboxing today that I'm just excited about, but I do want to mention something, and I want to apologize if I have insulted or hurt somebody's feelings because I gave a little speech, you guys, about that I'm a Christian and I believe I'm going to see my uncle again, my mom again, and that if you're a Christian, then you have hope. Okay, probably I didn't word it right. I'm not really the best speaker, but for me, you know, I am a Christian and that's the way I believe. It's not so much Christianity as much as having a belief in a higher power. Like, I'm not really all that religious. I don't really go to church a lot. I go to church occasionally. I do read my Bible. I really enjoy my Bible study time. There are all kinds of people from all different walks of life that are going to make it into heaven. That's the way I believe. I don't believe that if you're Jewish or a Muslim or from some other type of religious affiliation that you're not going to heaven. I don't believe that at all, because I believe that God is a God of love. He loves us, and it's not just about people who believe the way I do. That's just my personal belief. So I had someone mention it to me, said she was a longtime subscriber of mine, and I appreciate her pointing it out, because I don't want to come across closed-minded, like I only believe one thing and I have tunnel vision about religion. Like I said, I'm not super religious, but I'm spiritual, and that's my personal belief. Well, I believe it's through the blood of Jesus Christ that we make it into heaven. No matter what your affiliation is, that's what I believe. But anyway, I didn't mean to offend anybody, and if I said the wrong thing, please forgive me, because I do believe there's lots of people going to heaven and not just people like me. Okay, I hope that cleared it up. All right, guys, before we get started, let me share with you my bag of the day. It's actually my bag of the week, because I've kind of changed around the way that I do my bags. I used to change my bags out about every other day. So unless I'm going somewhere and need a different bag, I pretty much stay in the same bag for about 4 or 5 days or most of the week. So this is the bag that I'm going to be in throughout the weekend, unless we go to dinner, and then I like to take something small. But I've been running around town doing things and running errands, and I love a big bag, and I love this soft Speedy 30 because I love this. Like, I love the shoulder strap on it. It's super comfortable. Now, I do have a lot of stuff in it, probably more than I usually carry. This is my bag that I'm going to be carrying all weekend, unless we do go out to dinner or out somewhere. But anyway, I love this bag. I'd love to have another soft Speedy at some point. Maybe that Dune, soft Dune that I saw Candy unbox. Okay, so I am just so excited about this. It is a new, hot off the presses release from Louis Vuitton from the fall collection, you guys. And when I saw it, I just thought, I have got to get it. I know that I got a couple of things recently. I got a bag and I got some sunglasses, and I had no intentions in doing this, but when I saw it, I knew it had to be mine. But I've got to get off this bender, you guys, or I'm going to end up divorced. Keith said, okay, but cool it for a while after this. So I need help. I need an intervention, okay? All right, let me grab the box. Let's go ahead and open it up, and then we will talk about it. Okay, guys, here's the box. I should have probably stood up for this video, because here it is. It's a big box, and I can't wait to get into it. I'm going to go ahead and open this outer box. I just wanted to share with you guys that it is a true unboxing, and I haven't seen it, so this will be my real reaction, and I can't wait to see it. So I'm going to open I'm gonna get it out of this box and I'll be right back. All right. Whew, that took a while. All right, so per thumbnail, it is a double Louis Vuitton, oops, unboxing. So I'm gonna start with the big box and then we'll do the small one. So I cannot wait to see this, you guys. I love it so much. I hope that I love it as much as I think I'm gonna love it, okay? Because there's always the possibility if I don't, you know, I would send it back, which I hardly ever do that. And if I do send back a bag that I order from Becca, I just trade it out for something else. But fingers crossed, I really do think that I'm gonna love it. And whew, okay, let's just untie the bow and get into it. And let me share with you what it is from the fall collection that I grabbed. In a heartbeat, I grabbed it. Okay, my battery went dead. Okay, so this is one of the new boxes with the little button there. And my last one was bent. This one's not bent, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna keep this box. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Bam, there's a little peek inside. And I'm gonna grab it out. Ooh, okay. Grab it out of the box. Here it is. I know we all say this. Any guesses? Do you have any guesses what it is by looking at the bag? Or the dust bag, rather. Okay. I'm gonna take a peek first. I deserve to do that. So I'm going to take a peek first. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hold on. I'm about to pull it out. Just a second. Let me get a hold of the handles. Okay. I got... You guys, okay, I'm looking at the monitor and it is not doing it justice, but it is incredible. I got that burgundy, and I guess they call it burgundy. I'll put it on the screen, I'm not sure. The new fall Neverfull. Oh my gosh, and the imprint, whatever, is really good. The imprint looks great. I'm going to have to really study it, but really, I know that Becca does that for me. It looks great. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the only other leather Neverfull that I have is the Epi leather. And, you know, they're indestructible, but this is super, super soft. And the inside has that incredible soft microfiber on the inside. And... let me get this out. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so, of course you get the pouch, and I love my pouches for wristlets. I use them, I don't sell them. A lot of people that buy a Neverfull, they will sell them. These little pouches, they hold a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh, this is the softest leather I've ever felt. And I'm not just saying that. Ah, Louis Vuitton has really went in for the softness. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Now, I don't think I'll ever see another bag with the imprinting, what, I can't even say that word. The imprinting on it as my Black Beauty, but this one's pretty darn good. It's not as good as the Black Beauty, but it's beautiful. I mean, I would say it's perfect. Now, Becca put some perfume samples. Ooh, Becca, thank you for this. I love these little soft cases. I use them for all kinds of things. Usually I just use them to put my sunglasses or reading glasses in them. So, oh my gosh, she was so generous. Okay, let's see what we got. Thank you, Becca. Oh my gosh, okay. Elves. This is my next perfume, and I have it on my wish list for Christmas. Oh, that's a great little bottle. But I want Keith to order me the elves, and I would like to have my initials on it. This perfume, I love it. I'm obsessed. Do I love it as much as Atropay Revs? No, but it's close. Okay, let me get... I just need a moment. Oh man. Oh man, that is heaven. Heaven in a bottle. Thank you for that large bottle, Becca. Okay. And then she sent me a Pacific Chill. I love... So I do have Pacific Chill, and I ran out of my little one. So that's great. She also sent me a Afternoon Swim. I don't have that one. So I think I've smelled it before though. And she sent me Imagination. Ooh, I got just a little sample of all kinds of goodies. I love the pouch. I love the bag. I love it because, well, number one, I'm a huge Neverfull lover, and I thought about getting the Speedy in this color, but the next Speedy I get, if I get one, I would love to have the Speedy in the Dune color, Speedy 30, the one like Candy unboxed. But I know that I am a tote girl through and through, and it's like you get 2 in 1. Sometimes I use this in the bag, but most of the time I just use it like on the weekend. Okay, going out or whatever, but I love this. Oh my gosh, and it's so squishy and soft. Okay, so I did pick up one other thing in this small box, and it is an SLG, and I'm not a huge SLG person. I don't change my wallets out that much, and I don't buy a lot of wallets, but yeah, I just let the cat out of the bag. Okay, it's a wallet. Let's open it up. And it came from the same collection. I had a hard time choosing. Look at this. I can't remember the name of it, but I will link it, or put it on the screen rather. And you guys, I just had to have it. And I know that's a small wallet for a big bag, but that's the way I roll. I do have the large zippy wallet that I've had for probably 12 years or more, and I never use it, but I'm never going to get rid of it. But I love this. So this has, yeah, this is the Rosalie. Okay, this is the Rosalie, and I love it because Becca sent me a video, and it's got, you can put all your cash there, and you can also put, well, let's see. You can also put a card. There's a place for a card there. And here, you can put cards there. You can put your change. Okay, I probably won't use that for change because I usually have a little coin purse. I might throw some change in there, but most of the time I probably won't unless I just have to. I started to get, is it the Romy card holder? I think that's the one I started to get. But then she showed me this one. Look how pretty. Look at the empreinte on it. So when she showed me this one side by side and did a video, this is the one that I had to have. Mine is made in Spain, and my bag is made in Paris. All right, lucky me. So it's like 2 for 1. That's the way I've always looked at it, okay? I know these are expensive, you guys, but I do not have another leather Neverfull except the Epi. I've got several Neverfulls, and Neverfulls and Speedies are my all-time favorite Louis Vuitton bags. And I just decided to get this one because I do love a tote. And I thought I'd like this pouch because it's different than my other little pouches that I have, the Ebene and the Monogram. So I wanted to get this one, and I also have the Epi leather pouch as well. But that's my unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm not disappointed. It's not going back. I love it. And it was kind of hard to choose between this one and the Speedy, but I just thought, you know, this is a great fall bag, and I do tend to carry a lot more with me in the fall. Like I can throw a little shawl down in there, you know, a sweater, whatever, but my water bottle. I don't know, this was just the one that really called my name. I absolutely love it. So let me know what you guys think about it. Do you love this color? Bordeaux, I guess? I don't know if that's what they call it. That's what I call this color, but I will put it on the screen. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. Oh, and before I go, this necklace, I know somebody's going to ask me about it, came from TikTok shop. Very inexpensive, and I think it's a really cute little statement necklace. And I'm not really a big statement necklace person, but I liked the look of this. I thought it'd be cute to wear for Valentine's, and it's just cute with a little top like I have on today, or just anything. I think it's just really cute. They also come in gold. I have to brag on Becca. She's a friend. I have met her in person. I've told you guys that before. She always sends me the most perfect bags. She looks them over for me, and wow. I know I do spend a good bit of money on my bags, but it's worth it to me. And she sends me videos. I'm not there in person, but I feel like I'm getting the experience. I mean, I've had the experience enough, but she has a way of making me feel like I'm getting the experience through the videos and the texting and all of that. She always tells me congratulations, and it's just so exciting because I've never had a leather Neverfull like this. This is just so soft, and she always makes it special for me, and I'm hoping next year at some point that we're going to come out to Houston and I'll get to see you again in person, and maybe we can make it a really special day and you can show me some cool things, and I'll get something from you in person. But that's what I'm hoping for my birthday next year. We'll see. We'll see, you guys. I love you guys all so much, and I feel like my life is getting easier. Things are getting better slowly, because no matter how hard things get in life, it's always going to get better, and that's just life. You have your ups and downs, and I feel like things are going to get easier and better, and I just feel very fortunate and blessed to be here every day. Actually, you know, I'm just a very thankful person, and I always try to look at the glass half full, and you know, I'm thankful for my family, and I'm thankful that I had the most wonderful uncle in the world, and I'm thankful for all of you. So I noticed that I have a lot of new people watching, and if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe, because I don't know if it's YouTube, the algorithm, whatever's going on, they will not let me grow. I haven't grown any this whole year. Like, I'll be up and I'm down 15 again. That's what happens. Something's going on with my channel, but it doesn't deter me. That's not why I haven't been here. It's just that my life has been super crazy. I feel like this fall and winter I'll probably do more videos. Right now I think I'm doing about 2 a month. But I do miss you guys. I love you guys so much, and reach out to me anytime, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.